This is the Chevrolet Chevy 0.43 2003. This Chevy not working. Somebody before change started, and now it's battery dead. I'm try and turn on ignition and the car not working. This is it. I'm checking this problem. I don't know this is problem. Somebody before I open everything. I don't know this is problem. I'm taking the seat because I moved the hold. Because I moved the hold, I need to take the seat. Use this key 18. It's easy, fast. It's quick move. My battery dead. Oh shit. Oh my god. No, it's heavy power. Oh my god. Okay, I move this now. I put new starter and I'm start car. This is problem. You want to start or might not start? Then check a problem the distributor cap and check where is power inside. Okay. Move it. This is connector. Okay. This is torque 20. It's rusty. And take a little bit and come back out on. They buy new cap and the new distributor and the new roller. I don't know. This is problem. Okay, this okay. Okay, using my hands and I'll take this. Okay, I move this one. Oh my god. Okay, I move this one too. 5, cylinder 1, cylinder 3. Okay, 1. Okay. Oh, this is problem? Oh no, I don't know. This. Move this one. This one. Oh, this one too. Okay. This is cool. Shaky. This is very bad. Yeah. I think they find the problem. I moved the rotor. Okay. Oh my god. Huh? It's very bad. Listen, this is fan. This is fan is how say this is problem. This is inside this here. This have this air, blood air, because fan. This is fan. It move spark down. You need to clean this here and here. Oh my, yeah. I buy new cap. And the new rotor too. Okay. I'll come back out of parts. Let me check this part. Now I pour new cap and new rotor, and this is working, huh? Is it working or not working? It's crazy, man. This is car crazy. I don't know if it's working. I don't know if this is problem. Because this car not working, this is coming the old workshop. This is coming the old shop not for car working because this is change tire, but this is working car crank no working. I put new star, this crank must not working. Zipper now this is new rotor, and they put new cap distributor, and let me check this is good, no? Start. Whoa! Spectre! They're working! Oh my god! Where's problem the distributor cap? This problem the broken side engine this ignition this spark this crazy inside. You know this car no have it no stay in time. Because I'm to change the rotor cap, rotor, and the distributor cap. I think just this is problem, man. It's crazy, huh? So this is good too. I'm changing out the spark plug and the cable. The car good, huh? Oh shit! I'm sorry. Hello, buddy. Oh, sorry. Oh, thanks for watching. Subscribe in my channel. Hey, thanks for watching. Next video, you have a question, ask me, no problem. Okay, thank you, bye.